Watch your thoughts. Follow the mantra. 80, 80. Charai Veti. Not this. Not this. Move on. Move on. Again, I repeat. Breathing out. Pull your perineum up. Squeeze all the pelvic organs. Pull the abdomen inward. Breathing in. Raise your chest. Raise your chin. Pull the back up. Shoulder back. Eyes on the eyebrow center. After spending some 5 minutes in negating the thoughts, now you can start generating some positive thoughts. First thought is what you are doing is very powerful. It's going to create magic within you. Each time you breathe in, fill yourself with positive prana that is going to spread across each and every portion of your body. It's going to energize and heal it. As you breathe out all the tension, all the negativity. As you spend 5 more minutes with these positive thoughts, your whole system starts relaxing. If at all you have any pain, it will just disappear. In 10 minutes, your mind becomes calmer. Remember one more thing. While we sleep, only our body sleeps, not the mind. So there is no way mind can take rest except while you meditate. So meditation is the only way to resignate your mind. Sleeping doesn't make it rest. Mind is fully active. Likewise, when you take bath, only body gets cleaned. Meditation is the only way to clean your thoughts, clean your mind with the negative thoughts, and fill it with the positive thoughts. So bathing, sleeping, and gymming of brain is meditation. Cleaning, resting, and exercising of brain is meditation. Slowly open your eyes.